Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be having a look at a knife that I've been waiting to get in my hands for a crazy long time. This is the Hyperpulse by Civivi. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from Civivi and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because you do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Civivi for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with some quick size references, just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. And here's a quick look at them vertically next to each other, so you can compare the thickness of them. And let's get a rough measurement with the blade closed. Overall length looks like it's coming in at just about 4.5 inches. Let's do it now with the blade open. Going back to vertical. And a rough overall measurement from the tip of the blade to the end of the handle. Looks like we got just about 8 inches overall length. Let's have a quick look at the top of the knife here so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. So here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side and it looks to be just a little bit thinner than that. Let's flip it over to the other side. No, thicker than that, more close to this side. Let's run a ruler across this way and see what we get. Okay, I got it squared up. Looks like we got just about 1/2 inch thick. All right, let's have a look at the thickness of the blade over in the thumb ramp area. And it looks to be just about the same thickness as 2 US quarters. Let's run the ruler across the thumb ramp area and see what we get. Looks like we got just about 1/8 of an inch thick. All right, let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. Coming in, just 3 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 3 ounces might feel like in your hands, well, if you got some AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 3 of those and about 50 cents. Let's have a look at your opening mechanisms. There are 3. The first one being a flipper lever. That's what this little fin is here, sticking up out of the top. Got some jimping in here to give you a little bit of grip. And all you got to do is pull back on it. Second option, we got dual thumb studs. You can open this with your left or your right thumb. We got some cutouts here in the handle that make it very easy to dig your thumb in and rotate around. Or you can flick it open. And lastly, you can push down on your lock button and flick it open. The opening action on this knife is incredibly crisp, smooth, and quick. It's pivoting on a caged ceramic ball bearing system. Let's have a look up front at the blade, starting off in the thumb ramp area that we had a look at a little bit earlier. There's a look at the jimping. Let me turn this sideways so you can see the aggressiveness of that. All right, feels really good on the thumb. This is a drop point blade designed with an interesting swedge built into it and a gorgeous satin finish. Look at that. Now, as the blade rotates around, this flipper lever turns into a finger guard. Right, here you got your sharpening choil. It's going to help you make sure that you can sharpen the entirety of this edge from the tip all the way down to the heel. And we got a nice hollow grind, nice curvature here. This is going to be a great slicer. You can see that there's a curvature. There's a space in between the flats and the chopstick here. Steel type being used is 14C28N. 14C28N is an awesome mid-grade steel. You're going to get 14% chromium. That's going to give you really good corrosion resistance. And with just a kiss of nitrogen, it's going to help strengthen and really help with that edge retention. It's going to be really easy to sharpen and maintain this edge. And it really takes a nice, fine, sharp edge, as we're going to see in just a second. Let's have a look at these gorgeous milled out aluminum handles with all these gorgeous speed holes in them. Now this is the gray, there's a green with Damascus, there's a black on black and a blue with the same kind of satin finish. Love the look of this. Right, I love it when you can see straight through it. Look at that. Beautiful milling on the aluminum. Right, just standoffs here in the back. No back spacer. Gosh, this is such a clean looking knife. Here's a closer look at the grip. Just a hint of a curve back here. You have a single finger groove up here in the front. So you got 1 in the front, 4 in the back. Plenty of room for all of your hands in there. Nice comfortable grip, no hot spots. Nice and smooth around the edges. You can see how it's milled here right on the edges. And that's true all the way around. Really comfortable grip. Here's a closer look at your pocket clip. All right, there's your profile view there. Look at these standoffs, absolutely gorgeous. And it is reversible to the other side. And this will be tip-up carry only. Here's a quick look at what this knife is going to look like when you jam it down in your pocket. Got just a little bit sticking out the top. It's going to make it very easy to kind of pluck this up out of the top and deploy the blade. All right, let's get a profile view there. Back around to the front. Let's have a look at how this factory edge cuts coming right out of the box. Got a little bit of newspaper here. Oh my God, that is so silky smooth, guys. No resistance there. Light touch, sharp edge. With this hollow grind, it should absolutely smash through this paracord. Of course. And to close it up, let's try it on some cardboard. Oh man. Absolutely demolishing it. Once again, guys, this has been the Hyperpulse from Civivi. Incredibly lightweight, comes in a bunch of different colors, comfortable handle, really great steel, and comes screaming sharp coming right out of the box. If you're looking for a new EDC knife, this might be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.